hard I try, and keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself of the time. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day, and the clock takes life away, and it's so